Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arya Satyabrata. I'm from 12 Skins 8, attendance number 6. During the pandemic holiday, we just stay at home. Of course, this will be very boring if we do nothing. But we can spend our time to make a produce like sports, helping parents, or make something that will be worth for ourselves. In this case, I want to make a simple food that make you happy. This maybe can perfect for challenge with your friends, or maybe this food can be a menu to your dinner. First of all, we need to prepare the ingredients and the tools. First is the tools. We have a two pan. We have a drainer and spatula, fork and spoon, plate. Now we have to prepare the ingredient. First is two beef sausage, La Fonte Pronto, and the bon cabe for to make a spicy flavor. The first step is turn on the gas stove. We must use the first pan to pour the water. While waiting the water is boiled, we must prepare the second pan. First, pour the oil. And turn off the gas stove. And then we can feel the oil is hot or not. Next, we put in the two sausages into this pan. Don't forget to flip on the sausage. You must carefully if you don't want your sausage is burned. You must flip on the sausage every time. See, the sausage is done. We must drain the sausage with drainer. And don't forget to turn off your gas stove. And then the water is boiled. We must put in the pasta into the water. We must carefully because this is too dangerous. We just wait the pasta for 2 minutes.
Stop.
After 2 minutes, you must turn off the stove. And after that, now you can put in the pasta into the plate with the fork. We don't need a drainer because that can break the structure of the pasta. After all that, now we can pour the sauce of pasta into the spaghetti. After the sauce is already in the top of pasta, now we put in the bon cabe in top of it. This is enough. And the last is, don't forget to put your sausage into the plate. And finally, the spicy Italian spaghetti is done. Is all ready to serve. Okay everyone, that's all I can share to you about how to make a spicy Italian spaghetti. Thank you, see you later.